All right, so I have a new nice stainless steel barbecue to share today. We have 2 side tables. We also do have a side burner. Now I will show a mistake where I kind of messed up the lid on it. Now each side there is a holder for paper towels, so you can have a roll of paper towels on both sides or either side. Another feature that this one does have is that it does have a little waste basket built into the door, so you don't have to worry about, so you can do your trash right there. And then you do have where you can mount your propane. Now this also does come with a little box here, a little battery box, and this is going to control lights on here. So it's not really something you need, and you don't even have to turn it on. But there is a button here for on and off. When you turn it on, if the stuff is off, it's going to be blue, and then if you turn it on, it's going to turn red. Now this grill does have a lot of space, and I have actually been using it, so it is a little bit dirty right now. I do need to clean it up. As you can see, this one has more of a stainless steel grate, so you do want to oil these whenever you do use them. Now right now, I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up or it is all in blue. And then if we go to turn them on, I'll go ahead and fire this up just to show you how easy it works, how quick it fires up. Now one thing that I found a little weird is that they have the side burner in between other burners. So I'll show you where I kind of screwed up, because I wasn't paying attention the first time and I was just fired them all up. But you'll see this discoloration here. And I had this down and I had a tray on here and I had the fire going, which was a really big mistake. And it did start warping it. It did start changing the color on this. So definitely be careful with that. Like I said, I wasn't paying attention. Side burner right here in the center. And while I have that opened up, I can go ahead and show you how well the side burner works. And it does fire up pretty quickly. And with it on, it did turn a red color. Turn it off, it turns blue again. Oh, wrong one. Like I said, it's easy to get that side burner there. And this will heat up really, really quick. And this does have a temperature gauge right here on the top. This grill also does have brakes on both the front wheels, so you can lock it down where it won't wheel around on you. As you can see, my driveway is not even at all, so if I don't turn those on, it has a mind of its own. Now there are tool holders on both this side and we have more holders on this side. And then here on the back, we can easily access underneath from the back side, and this will also adjust where you can tighten down your propane tank. And this does have a drain pan right here. And you can remove this whole thing to easily clean it. And I would probably recommend putting some foil down. I probably should do that. I'm going to clean this up and then lay some foil down just to make it easier cleaning in the future. Now I've grilled a few things on here and it works really well. I did some steaks and some corn and hot dogs and stuff. Now this grill also comes with a nice pizza stone, heavy duty. And we also do get a grill pan, which this I have not used yet, but this is perfect for like veggies and stuff. This is what I had on top of the burner when it was running. And it'll just fit right on your grill. What, buddy? Overall, it's a pretty nice barbecue grill though. The lights, they're a little bit more pointless for someone like me, but if you're into that kind of stuff, it kind of lets you know if it's on or off. It ignites super easy. It's got nice, really sturdy side tables, and it's just a really nice grill overall. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.